Hi, I'm Margaret Hughes with Avena Foods, and we're here at IBIE 2019. Avena Foods is a specialty miller based in Canada. We mill both pulse ingredients and oat Purity Protocol gluten-free ingredients. These are both crops that have really strong sustainability stories. And we as a miller use dry milling to really support that whole sustainability story. So today, when we're here at the IBIE, we're actually looking at new functional ingredients that we've launched. People often think about pea protein, let's bump up that macronutrient. But what we want to talk about is how we can move beyond just the nutrient content to actually think about what kind of functionality do these products provide. Yesterday, we actually presented at a clean label ingredient seminar, and that was using our pea hull fiber 200, just demonstrating how a natural, intrinsic, and intact fiber can provide you with lots of functionality in those bakery products that you're trying to improve and trying to make more clean label, more based in sustainable ingredients.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Evancio, and I'm really excited to be here at IBIE in order to work with the team to showcase some of the ways that Avena Foods provides innovation and innovative approaches to ingredients that food manufacturers can benefit from. So here we have actually a ginger snap that was developed with the Culinary Research and Innovation team at Red River College that incorporates pulse egg replacer and best pea hull fiber to 100% totally replace the eggs. It's an approach that provides food manufacturers with the opportunity to use an allergen-friendly, gluten-free, non-GMO and clean label ingredient, and also allows you to be able to put a product on the store shelves that consumers are looking for in terms of potentially a vegan or vegetarian option or something that's allergen-free but also tastes good. It is exactly what consumers are looking for without maybe depriving them of having the mouthfeel and the texture that they would expect from a product such as this. So what we found is that through the research and development that we've done, we're able to apply pulse egg replacer and the pea hull fiber as egg substitution either at a percentage rate or else at a 100% replacement rate in order to achieve what you're looking for. So if you're interested in finding out more, see us at www.avenafoods.com.